Iris matching can be fast and easy, but you will need to learn some basic techniques. Let's get familiar with the sensor first. Here in the middle is a mirror with a light ring around it. Below the mirror on either side, you can see some faintly blinking reddish lights. These are certified safe, low energy, near infrared lights that make more color show up in your iris. The iris is the colored part of your eye right here on the surface. The visible LED light around the mirror is a signal light. The sensor lights a pale green when it's starting up and is white when on and working. When you hold the sensor to your eyes and it can see your irises clearly, it will shine a dark blue. When the sensor has matched you, it will show bright green like a traffic light. It will show red when it fails to match. You do not have to hold the sensor in front of your eyes for a long time. Just a second or two will work. 10 seconds is way too long. Once you see the dark blue light, you can look away or move the sensor. Each person is different for matching, and you will find your timing. You will want to learn the right distance to hold the sensor from your eyes. If you move the sensor from further away to closer, the blue light will indicate when the sensor sees your eyes, and you should take note of this distance and try to learn it. Try not to move the sensor too quickly. Moving it more slowly or keeping it still will get better results. Different people have different bodies and therefore different results. Some have very long and thick eyelashes or smaller closed eyes, or for some people, the top eyelid naturally covers the iris more than others. If these cases apply to you, you might want to momentarily open your eyes wider to give the sensor an opportunity to see more of your iris. You can do this while enrolling and then again while matching to get a better result. If you wear contact lenses or glasses, you will want to enroll without your corrective lenses. The system will be able to match you with your contact lenses, glasses, goggles, or safety glasses, or combinations of these things. If you find that a handheld match is challenging to you, try to use the sensor mounted. This is easier for many people. Once you get consistent matching, you will find it easier and faster to use. So please take your time to learn the technique that works for you and your eyes. With Iris Biometrics, we're all unique, and therefore our matching is unique as well.